Hi there, my name is De Villiers and I want to welcome you to my YouTube channel. This is where I will be journaling and documenting my ICT trading journey. My videos will have a special focus on creating a study guide for anyone that is new to this space or for anyone that is struggling to find the right approach. If you're like me, you might have already dipped your toes into the world of trading and you might have found yourself overwhelmed by the amount of strategies that are out there. I get it. I've been there too. For the last couple of years, I've been going through many struggles and frustrations to figure out what is the right approach to all these different strategies. I've tried many different strategies that seemed promising at first, but in the end left me wanting a lot more. ICT, or Inner Circle Trader, has a completely different perspective on trading and especially the retail trading space. It is not your typical retail trading strategy.
Before I get any further, just know that the range between this long-term high and this long-term low, that range is going to be used for targeting purposes, and I'll get into that in a moment.
And this approach is exactly why I've decided to commit myself to learning the strategy and mastering the models. ICT brings a fresh perspective to the trading space. It's unlike any of the other trading strategies out there. It focuses on market structure, on psychology, but most importantly, it focuses on time, which isn't something that you find in other trading strategies. Here's the thing. ICT does not start with the basics. He dives straight into his strategies and the concepts that are found in his free videos on YouTube. For traders that have been around for a while, it's an easy transition to get into his content and start learning. But for anybody that is new to the trading space, it is a little bit hard to follow along. This is exactly where these videos and my study guide will become a valuable resource for anyone that is getting into the trading space. Rather than just making notes and tucking them away in a diary, I've decided to document my journey and take my notes and turn them into a resource that can help any new or even intermediate traders. Think of it as a study guide, something that bridges the gap between learning the basics of trading and the more intricate and more advanced concepts of ICT. I'm not here to teach ICT. ICT already provides a valuable resource and his content is available on his YouTube channel, and I strongly urge you to head over there and start studying. What I'm offering is a companion to learning ICT. It's a personal journal and it's my study notes that I'm compiling in video format for anyone that just needs a little bit of a guide when getting started into Forex or any other trading for that matter. If you're on the ICT journey, I would strongly urge you to follow along with me as I study, as I overcome the challenges that come with learning how to trade. I'm showing you what I'm learning, what I'm applying, and how I overcome the challenges that every trader will face. Throughout this journey, I'll be sharing with you practical steps, psychology advice, and things that you can implement to help you to develop a proper trading skill set. I hope that you'll be able to gain an insight into the wonderful world of trading and what it really takes to become a profitable trader. I hope you'll be able to avoid some of the mistakes that I made, and I hope that you'll go much further than I ever will. So, if you are just beginning your trading journey, or if you've been around for a while and you've been trying out different strategies, I urge you to stick around, hit the subscribe button, and follow along on this journey that is going to be an incredible adventure.